This is FRQ 1 for AB and BC both for 2025 exam. Let's read this out. By the way, if you need private tutoring, feel free to reach out. An invasive species of plant appears in a fruit grove at time t equals 0 and begins to spread. It's spreading by this function that is affected by, that is how the number of acres the fruit grove affects the species is dependent on this function, and its derivative is also given. The first question is, and this is calc active by the way, the first question is as simple as find the average number of acres being affected from 0 to 4 and show the setup. So we know that this is just the average value of the function, right? And the average value of the function is given by 1 over b minus a integration from a to b of the function. What is b? B in this case is 4 weeks, and the start time is 0 weeks. So 1 over 4 minus 0, integration from 0 to 4 of ct. Ct is 7.6 arctan. Arctan is just tan inverse, and this is 0.2t. So I'm just gonna type this in the Desmos, and if I do that, it's gonna look something like this. So I'm gonna get 2.778. And what's going to be the unit? That's going to be acres. That's the unit for this particular question. The next is they are saying find the time when the instantaneous rate of change of C, instantaneous rate of change of C prime is equal to the A average rate of change. Not, remember, average rate of change, not the average value. So basically they want when is C prime is equal to AROC within 0 and 4. So be careful here. The C prime we already know. Its expression is given by 38 over 25 plus t square, and that is equal to AROC, which is C4 minus C0 over 4 minus 0, correct? That's what we have here. So that's going to be 38 over 25 plus t square is going to be, this is 4. What is C? C0 is of course 0. I mean, if you do not want to solve this manually, it's totally fine. You can type this in the calculator. Let me show you how. You can actually define the function here. Let's say the function c is fx, and that is given as 7.6 tan inverse of 0.2x. So in order to find that value, you can type in f of 4 now, f of 4 minus f of 0. That's what you want after all. Put another parentheses over 4. That's the right side that you need. So this is going to be 1.282, and now I'm going to solve this again using Desmos. So I'm going to say here, and remember to put an expression rather than an equation. So I want 38 over 25 plus x square is equal to 1.282. I don't want to see this. Now, why am I saying an expression is because otherwise you will get vertical lines. Rather than bring 1.282 on the left and it will become negative, and now you're looking for x-intercepts. So click on this home button. Obviously t is weeks, so you're looking for weeks. So that this is going to be our answer, right? 2.154. So we're going to say here that the number of weeks are 2.154. Right, that should answer part B. Let's talk about part C. Assume that the invasive species continues to spread according to the given model for all times t positive, t is greater than 0, right? A limit expression that describes the end behavior of the ROC in the number of acres affected by the species, and evaluate this limit expression. So they want us to put the limit approaching infinity to this particular thing, right? Because this is the rate of change. So I'm gonna say that C 38 over 25 plus t square, right? I'm gonna put a limit here. So I'm gonna say that limit of t approaching infinity of 38 over 25 plus t squared. That's the limit expression. And if I do that, the ROC comes obviously as 0, because this is the case of a rational function having the degree of denominator greater than the numerator. And numerator, there is the degree is just 0, so it has to be 0. The last question is, at time t equal to 4 weeks after the invasive species appear in the fruit grove, measures are taken to counter the spread. Now this function ct minus this models the number of acres affected by the species over 4 to 6. Now this is the new function over here. At what time does A attains its maximum value? All right. In order to find the maximum value, I have to use the candidates test because I want to maximize A, right? So I want to say A prime. A prime is going to be C prime T minus here. I'm going to use the fundamental theorem of calculus. So that's going to look like 0.1 times ln x because I just substitute, sorry, ln T. I just substitute T instead of x. C prime we already know, right? Let's borrow that. So that's going to be 38 over 25 plus t square minus 0.1 ln t. First, I need the critical points, and then I can use the candidates test. For the critical point, I need to graph this and find the points of, the zeros or where the function itself, a prime, is undefined. So if I graph this up, I'm going to get, this is already there, so I need to type it in, negative 0.1 natural log of x. So here, is it undefined at that point? Yes, at x equal to 0, but remember that this portion we have to analyze only from 4 to 36, right? So there is no point where it is undefined. It's defined everywhere. And one of the critical point, only one critical point is 11.442. So if we write 11.442 as the critical point, then we have to use a candidates test where we need to find the maximum or the values at the 3 points. The first point is the left extrema, that is 4, then the critical point 11.442, and then 36. We need to find the value of AT. Basically, and AT is given by obviously this gross expression. I'm going to write CT again so that I can type in where is CT? There you go. It's right here. So AT is going to look like 7.6 tan inverse 0.2 t minus integration from 0 to t of 0.1 ln x dx. Let's type these in Desmos. So if I do the setup, it looks like this. You can try to absorb what I wrote here. I just wrote the expression as it is. The only difference is it was AT, I wrote as FT, and this entire expression just like this in TT and this. Now I just have to plug in f of 4 because automatically it will type in 4 at every t and calculate this. Likewise, f of critical point and f of 36. So we have these 3 points here, and clearly we are looking for the maximum, which is obviously at the critical point. So our answer obviously is going to be, they're asking at what time. So at what time is, this is the time or number of weeks between 4 and 36 when A attains the maximum value, and also the maximum value is this. But I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and if you need tutoring, feel free to reach out. Thank you.